Honor X10 5G to carry pop-up selfie camera. Honor X10 Pro with periscope camera tipped. Honor X10 5G phone is set to launch on the 20th. The Huawei sub-brand Honor recently confirmed that the phone will feature a 90Hz display with 180Hz touch sampling rate. However, ahead of the launch, the phone is up for pre-bookings on Huawei's official e-store. Website shows the phone with triple rear camera as a pop-up selfie camera, and lists the processor and camera details. Moreover, an online report is claiming that the Honor X10 5G will be released with a sibling, namely, Honor X10 Pro. The Pro variant of the phone is also tipped to come with a triple rear camera setup. However, the camera module allegedly includes a periscope camera. Starting with the Honor X10 5G, the phone is currently listed on Huawei's official retail site, Mall. The phone is up for pre-bookings and the website further shows the phone with a pop-up selfie camera. It is also revealed that Honor X10 5G will be powered by his Silicon Kirin 820 SoC and will include a 40-megapixel main camera on the back. However, a tipster recently tipped the phone's price details. According to the tipster, the phone will be released in 4 variants. The phone will allegedly be priced at $2,299, roughly Rs. 24,400 for the 4GB plus 128GB storage model, at $2,599, roughly 27,600 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB storage variant, at $2,899, roughly 30,800 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB storage model, and lastly, at $3,199, roughly 34,000 rupees for top 8GB plus 256GB storage option. Honor X10 5G and Honor X10 Pro specifications expected. A report by a Chinese technology website, Xmo, citing a tipster, claims that the Honor X10 5G will come with a Pro variant, namely, Honor X10 Pro. The report claims that both the vanilla Honor X10 5G and Honor X10 Pro will feature a 6.63-inch LCD display and will be powered by his Silicon Kirin 820 SoC. It was also added that both the variants will pack 4,200 mAh battery that supports 22.5 watts fast wired charging. However, the Honor X10 Pro is further said to support 20W wireless charging option. Additionally, the vanilla Honor X10 5G is tipped to feature 60Hz refresh rate display, while the Honor X10 Pro is said to feature a 90Hz refresh rate display. Coming to the cameras, the triple rear camera setup on Honor X10 5G will reportedly include a 40-megapixel REB sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter along with a macro camera. On the other hand, the Honor X10 Pro is tipped to include a 40-megapixel REB sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and an 8-megapixel periscope-style telephoto camera. The report also contained alleged renders of the two phones, in which we can notice the periscope camera cutout on the Honor X10 Pro's rear camera module. Lastly, the report claims that both the phones will feature a 16-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. Thanks for watching this video. You are loved at this video. Click thumbs up button, share this video your friends and family. Any doubt, comment.